If you've been posting Instagram Reels consistently, but still not making money, there's a very high chance you're missing how monetization actually works in 2026. Because honestly, a lot of creators think Instagram only pays huge influencers, but that's not really true anymore. There are now multiple ways smaller creators are monetizing Reels, Evan, without millions of followers. So in this video, I'll show you hidden Instagram, Reels monetization secrets in 2026, and how creators are actually making money right now. First, understand this. Views alone are not the main goal anymore. Because honestly, Instagram now cares much more about watch time, saves, shares, and engagement. A reel with fewer views. But high engagement can outperform a viral video with bad retention. And honestly, this is one of the biggest things creators still don't understand. Now, another huge secret faceless content is making a lot of money right now because many creators are growing pages without ever showing their face using AI. Voiceovers, captions, stock footage, and storytelling reels. And honestly, these pages scale much faster because they can post more consistently. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, because honestly, this is where many creators make their first real money. Instead of waiting for Instagram bonuses, they promote apps, products, courses, or digital tools, then place affiliate links in their bio. And honestly, some creators with small audiences make more from affiliate links than from Instagram itself. Now another hidden strategy, using Reels to grow theme pages. A lot of people are building pages around motivation, business, fitness, luxury, relati, on-ships, or AI tools, then monetizing later through sponsorships, digital products, or paid promotions. And honestly, theme pages are still growing very fast in 2026 now. Another important secret, shorter reels are often performing better again, especially 7-second, 12-second, and 20-second videos, because shorter videos loop more easily, which increases watch time percentage. And honestly, Instagram loves high retention. Now let's talk about consistency, because honestly, this is what separates creators who grow from creators who quit. A lot of successful pages post 3 or even 5 reels per day, especially faceless pages, using AI workflows. Now another huge monetization trick, building an email list or audience outside Instagram, because honestly, depending only on Instagram is risky. A lot of smart creators now use Reels to push people toward newsletters, communities, products, or businesses, instead of relying only on platform payouts. Now here's another hidden thing. The hooks matter more than editing, because honestly, many beginners waste hours on fancy editing when the first 2 seconds matter the most. Hooks like, nobody talks about this. This changed everything for me. Or you're doing this wrong, still perform extremely well in 2026. Now, let's be honest for a second. Instagram monetization is not as simple as just posting random videos anymore, but honestly, creators who understand retention, consistency, niche, content, and audience building are still making serious money with Reels. So to wrap this up, the biggest hidden Instagram Reels monetization secrets right now are: focus on engagement over views, use affiliate marketing, build faceless pages, post consistently, and use Reels to grow something bigger than just followers. Because honestly, the creators making the most money in 2026 are usually the ones treating Reels like a business, not just entertainment.